We all dream of having a lush and vibrant garden, bursting with life and color. But let's be honest, keeping those plants happy and hydrated can feel like a full-time job sometimes. That's why I'm so excited to share with you the secrets to lazy garden watering. Yes, you heard that right. We're going to explore simple and effective techniques that will save you time, water, and effort. Imagine spending less time dragging hoses around and more time enjoying the fruits and vegetables of your labor. With a little planning, you can create a watering routine that's both efficient and effective, allowing you to sit back, relax, and watch your garden flourish. So, are you ready to ditch the watering can and embrace a more laid-back approach to garden care? Before we look at each method, we need to understand how to water our garden. Deep watering is the cornerstone of a healthy and resilient garden. It involves watering your plants thoroughly and less frequently, encouraging them to develop strong root systems that reach deep into the soil. When you water deeply, you provide your plants with a consistent supply of moisture, even during hotter periods. This helps them withstand drought conditions and promotes vigorous growth. A good rule of thumb is to water until the soil is moist to a depth of 6 to 8 inches. You can test the moisture level by sticking your finger into the soil. If it feels dry, it's time to water deeply. By adopting this technique, you'll create a garden that's both beautiful and resilient. Now let's get lazy. For the ultimate in lazy garden watering, consider investing in a sprinkler system. These automated systems take the guesswork out of watering, delivering water directly to your plants on a set schedule. Sprinkler systems come in a variety of types, including in-ground, pop-up, and oscillating sprinklers. Each type has its own advantages, so it's important to choose one that suits your garden's layout and watering needs. When installing a sprinkler system, be sure to consider factors such as water pressure, coverage area, and soil type. Proper installation will ensure optimal performance and prevent water waste. With a sprinkler system in place, you can enjoy a lush and vibrant garden without lifting a finger. It's a true game changer for busy gardeners. Self-watering containers are another fantastic option for lazy gardeners. These ingenious containers feature a built-in reservoir that keeps your plants hydrated, even if you forget to water them for a few days. They work by using a process called capillary action. The soil in the container draws water from the reservoir as it dries out, ensuring that your plants always have access to the moisture they need. Self-watering containers are available in a wide range of sizes and styles, making them suitable for everything from small herbs to larger vegetables. They're also relatively inexpensive and easy to maintain. If you're looking for a low-maintenance way to keep your container plants happy and hydrated, self-watering containers are the way to go. Soaker hoses are a gentle and efficient way to water your garden beds. These porous hoses slowly release water along their entire length, delivering moisture directly to the roots of your plants. One of the main advantages of soaker hoses is that they minimize water waste. Unlike overhead sprinklers, which can lose water to evaporation, soaker hoses deliver water directly where it's needed. They're also ideal for delicate plants that are susceptible to damage from harsh water pressure. The gentle, even watering provided by soaker hoses promotes healthy growth without disturbing your plants. However, it's important to note that soaker hoses can be prone to clogging, especially if you have hard water. Regular checking and flushing of the hose can help prevent this issue. For the ultimate in watering precision and efficiency, look no further than drip irrigation systems. These systems deliver water directly to the root zone of each plant, minimizing water waste and promoting optimal growth. Drip irrigation systems consist of a network of tubes or hoses with strategically placed emitters. The emitters release water slowly and precisely, ensuring that each plant receives the exact amount of moisture it needs. One of the biggest advantages of drip irrigation is its customization. You can adjust the flow rate and watering schedule to suit the specific needs of each plant, making it ideal for gardens with a variety of species. While drip irrigation systems require an initial investment, their efficiency and water-saving benefits make them a worthwhile investment for any serious gardener. With so many different watering methods available, it can be tough to know which one is right for you. The good news is that there's no one-size-fits-all answer. The best watering method for your garden will depend on several factors, including the size and layout of your garden, your budget, and your personal preferences. If you have a small garden or a few container plants, hand watering or self-watering containers might be sufficient. For larger gardens, sprinkler systems, soaker hoses, or drip irrigation systems can save you time and effort. Consider your lifestyle as well. If you're often away from home, an automated system like a sprinkler system or drip irrigation can provide peace of mind. Once you've chosen your preferred watering method, it's important to maintain your system regularly to ensure its longevity and efficiency. For sprinkler systems, this includes checking for leaks, clearing any clogged nozzles, and adjusting the watering schedule as needed. Soaker hoses should be checked for leaks and flushed regularly to prevent clogging. Drip irrigation systems require a bit more maintenance. Inspect the emitters for clogs, flush the lines periodically, and replace any damaged components promptly. By taking the time to maintain your watering system, you'll extend its lifespan and ensure that your garden receives the water it needs for years to come. Remember, a well-maintained watering system is a happy watering system. Even with the best watering practices, you may encounter occasional issues. Here are a few common watering problems and how to troubleshoot them. Wilting plants can be a sign of both underwatering and overwatering. Check the soil moisture level to determine the cause. If the soil is dry, water deeply. If it's waterlogged, reduce watering frequency. Yellowing leaves can indicate nutrient deficiencies, which can be exacerbated by improper watering. Ensure you're using a balanced fertilizer and adjust watering practices as needed. Overwatering can create a humid environment that's conducive to fungal diseases. Water plants at the base to avoid wetting the foliage and ensure adequate air circulation. By being proactive and addressing watering issues promptly, you can keep your garden thriving and disease-free. As responsible gardeners, it's important to be mindful of our water usage. Here are a few simple tips to conserve water in the garden. Water deeply and less frequently encourages strong root systems and reduces water waste. Water in the morning in the cooler hours of the morning minimizes evaporation. Apply a layer of organic mulch around your plants to retain soil moisture and suppress weeds. Armed with these tips and techniques, you can create a watering routine that's both efficient and effective, leaving you with more time to relax and enjoy your beautiful garden. Remember, the key to successful lazy gardening is to work smarter, not harder. Choose the watering method that best suits your garden and lifestyle. And don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. So, embrace your inner lazy gardener, ditch the watering can, and get ready to enjoy a lush and thriving garden with minimal effort. Happy gardening!